kids, your Hital ma'am is back. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you, my little babies? Good morning. Clap your hands, clap, clap, clap. Tap your head, tap, tap, tap. Spin around, spin, spin, spin. Wash your hands, wash, wash, wash. Shake your hands, shake, shake, shake. Good morning, good morning. How are you, my little babies? Good morning. So, did you enjoy it? Now, let's start our session. Do you remember what we did in the last English session? We had learned alphabet A and B. Now, let's do a quick recap of alphabet A and B and learn a new alphabet C. A says A for ant, A for arrow, A for aeroplane, A for apple. B says B for butterfly, B for balloon, B for bus, B for bat, B for ball. C says C for cat, cat says meow, meow. It is also a pet animal. C for car, C for cake. Do you know, children, we eat cake on everybody's birthdays. C for carrot. Mama makes yummy carrot juice and carrot halwa. Isn't it yummy and tasty? C for cat. So, children, now let's do it once again. C says C for cat, C for car, C for cake, C for carrot, C for cap. So, children, let's do a rhyme. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you do there? I frightened a little mouse under her chair. Clap your hands. Very good. Give a nice smile now. Good, children. Now, let's do an interesting activity related to alphabet C. Children, what is this? This is C. C says C for caterpillar. Now, today we are going to make a caterpillar in this alphabet C. Which color is this? Green color. And which shape is this? Circle. Now, we are going to take these circles and we are going to paste on the alphabet C like this. See, children, ma'am is applying glue over here. And we are going to paste this circle. Can you see, children? Wow. Ma'am is applying glue and pasting the circle on the alphabet C. What are we making? You know, we are making a caterpillar. What are we making? A caterpillar. Caterpillar is green in color. Caterpillar is green in color. children. What is ma'am doing? Ma'am is applying the glue and pasting the circles. You can do this activity with your parents and with help of your mom. Now, we have finished applying glue and putting circles on the alphabet C. Now we are going to put here, what is this? Googly eyes. We are going to apply glue here and we are going to paste these two googly eyes to make the caterpillar's eyes. Hey. Wow. And now what are we going to do, you know? We are going to make its smiley face. And two fillers here. See children, isn't it a very nice caterpillar? Wow! See children, what is this? This is a carrot. C for carrot. And do you know what is this? This is crepe paper. Now with this crumpled paper, we are going to apply glue over here and we are going to paste these. See children, ma'am is applying glue on it. And now we are going to paste these crumpled red color paper on the carrot. See children, like this we are going to apply. Can you see them? Hey, isn't it very nice? Wow, see, so nice it looks. We are pasting these crumpled papers on the carrot. You can do this activity with help of your parents. You can tell your mom to draw a carrot for you on a paper and then you can paste it like this. Hey, so nice it is, isn't it? See children, isn't it an interesting activity? Look here. We are pasting this crumpled paper on the carrot. Now again we are going to apply glue over here in the center and we are going to paste this crumpled paper. Can you see them? Wow! Isn't it an interesting activity? Look children, we are pasting it. Hey, we have done with the carrot. Wow, see, we have finished with the carrot. Hope you enjoyed the activity. Okay then, bye. Take care. See you in the next session. Stay safe at home.